West Road, Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. A vehicle was fired upon as one man's reported dead and the female injured. Greetings and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari, so the of Deeproots TV. If it's your first time tuning into the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button. Follow me on TikTok, don't you flip-flop. A vehicle shot up as one man pronounced dead and a female was injured in Mandeville. One man shot dead, a woman injured on West Road in Mandeville. The deceased has been identified as 28-year-old Roshane Young, popularly known as Mafia, a resident of Newhall in Manchester. It appears that the police report says about 9:50 p.m., Young was driving a vehicle with 3 passengers on board. A motor car reportedly came around and started firing on West Road in the vicinity of Knowles Circle. Imagine them a bust it like that a yard. 2 of the passengers reportedly ran from the car into the bushes and escaped the attack. Further reports are that Young and the female passenger sustained gunshot wounds before the vehicle crashed into a yard. Young and the injured female were taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead, while the woman was admitted for treatment. It seems suspicious. That the motor car reportedly came under fire as it stopped on West Road in the vicinity of Knowles Circle. 2 got wet up, the female passenger and the driver. But what seems funny is that the others escaped, ran off in the bushes. 2 of the passengers reportedly ran from the car into the bushes. So either them lucky, they're witnesses to a crime and them should be clear in their mind, or them probably set it free then get wet. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeproots TV, explaining, be careful where you go and who you roll with, cause people might be looking for somebody you know. West Road, a decent place that. Galchester no good again, people. I was really a go on with my island. The country place them a get hotter and hotter. It seems like the violence is at your door and it really don't matter where you're from, where you run, or where you go. I stay vigilant. I avoid the carousing. But I'm telling you, we've been practicing and training if you ever want to climb the mountain. Come on a maca tree. It's not worth it. Leave your comment and let me know why the country people them are fear so much turmoil now. Is it because it's close to politics time again? Because I am sick and tired of being sick and tired to report these heinous crimes from West all the way up to Mandeville. It seems like country not good again. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeproots TV reporting live. It seems like Mandeville not good because out pan West Road turning an action movie like Hollywood. Fire,